push off that boat. Yeah. You might want to take
We're
that.
taking the Hunter 22 out under steel.
Just keep your sail backwards.
That's what we're trying to avoid.
After about 3 margaritas. Popo, do you think we're gonna make it?
Pull us in a little
Yeah,
bit.
you make it. What? Which way?
Toward the end. Yeah, I need to pull the ass end out.
Hang on.
No, not so far.
Not too far.
Right there.
You're pretty damn life jackets, all right? I ain't coming out after it.
All right, now I'm gonna rotate it around here. As soon as I jump in, I'm gonna pull that sail up.
Sail's already up there.
I mean, tighten it up.
You only need one. Get out of harbor.
Just watch the nose.
Keep the nose out.
Nope. Hope you guys don't leave without me.
I got it. If we leave,
I'll get to figure out how to do it.
I'll bring it back.
Put your foot in. Put your foot in the water. See if there's any electricity.
All right, now I'm gonna get on and we're gonna push it out a little bit.
All right, give
You give it a little bit of a kick, just a little bit, not much.
Run away. I'm up here. About fucking hungry.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, hey, you want me to do that red light in there for you there? Okay.
Drop the line.
Alright.
As soon as the wind catches us, we'll be good.
Oh yeah. Behind you there, look at that.
Doing good, Captain Dave.
Alright.
Bye, Popo.
There she blows. Hang on to your hat.
And here we go.
There we go. Don't worry.
All right, we are
You better start that damn
moving pretty good.
Now we get it started.
Right into the wind. No wind. Look at that. Flat.
Bring it back up some.
Good.
Bring it out.
They didn't have motors back in the 1800s.
They can only go like downwind though. All right, good job. No wind. Bye. We'll see you when we see you.
Grandma on a damn walker could go faster than that. I wish I had my yacht in it. It'd run circles around.
Come on, Popo, bring it in.
I might. I get the
Here we go, check it out. Here we go. We're underway.
Yep, we are moving. Yeah, we're right down. See how far we come?
Who needs gasoline?
Beautiful day.
That went pretty smooth for a first time sailing. Huh? I don't know what's going to happen when we get up here.
Just make sure you turn right up there on the corner.
Okay.
One right, one left,
All right. Wow, Dave, we're moving.